Baby, yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, all fruits finish. Hi, so Ryan, today will you learn some fruits and cut them?
Yeah.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, but before that, can you tell me the color of the fruits?
Yeah.
Which color?
Apple.
Which color?
Apple.
Which color?
Papa.
Which color?
Brown.
Brown. Which color?
D.
Which color?
D.
Yes, good, very good. And can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Now let's start. Okay. Do you know which fruit is this?
Apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
And do you know how to cut it? Okay. Cut it. Put it here and cut the fruit. Apple. This is red color apple. So now, do you know which fruit is this?
Apple.
Orange. Do you know how to cut it?
No. Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
Yay!
Dip.
Now,
Grape.
okay. Do you know which fruit is this?
Grape.
Grapes. Okay. Now cut the grapes
No.
with some energy.
Yay!
Yay! Now, do you know which fruit is
Kiwi.
this? Kiwi. Yeah. Yay! Now, tell me what fruit is this?
Jamba.
Guava. Okay, now cut the guava. Yay!
Jamba.
Guava.
Jamba.
Now, which fruit is this?
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Papaya.
Yeah, cut the watermelon as well.
Uh-oh.
Yay! Cut it. Okay. Now, can you match the different fruits? Can you match this orange fruit with the other part? Okay. Okay. Now, make the orange. Okay. Yay! Now, make the apple. Yay! Now, make the grapes. Good. Now, make the kiwi. Yes, now make the watermelon.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's okay. Now make the guava. Very good. Okay, now will you play a game with Mama?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready for that?
Yes.
Mama feeling so hungry. Let's ask Ryan to get some fruit. Okay, Ryan, Mama feeling so hungry. Can you give Mama apple? Thank you. This is so yummy. Wow, this is so yummy. Let's ask for another food. Okay, can you give me orange now? This orange is so delicious. You wanna taste it? No? Okay, finish. Okay, can you give me now kiwi? Yummy. Kiwi is so yummy. Would you like to taste it?
No.
So yummy. You can taste it.
No.
No, you don't like it? Okay. Okay, now give me guava. Yummy. You want to taste it?
No.
Okay.
Yum.
Yummy. Now give me watermelon. Yay. it to Daddy. He's also hungry. Daddy, you want it? Go. Go.
Yeah.
Daddy finished. Now give me the grapes. Now the grapes is for my baby. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, all fruits finish. You like the video?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.